Welcome back, children. My dear children, in the previous class, we have seen the story Divya and her family. I hope you all go through this video and you love the story, I think so. Do you all? Okay, I too love the story. So, today we are going to recollect the story Divya and her family. Okay, children? You can take your story readers or you can see the video. I'm going to read this story. Listen and read with me. Okay, children, let us begin. Okay. Divya lives with her parents, her brother Arun, and Cookie. Cookie is their pet dog. Salma lives with her mother. David lives with his grandparents. They all live with their family. Divya and her family move to a new house. There is a full stop, so we have to stop there and start a new line. Divya wants her friends to see her new house. She wants her friends to come and play with her. Next page. Divya's friends come home for playtime. Divya is excited to show her friends her new home. Divya shows her friends the living room. Divya shows her friends the dining room. Next page. Wow, yum yum samosas getting ready. Divya shows them the kitchen. Shanti is helping Amma make samosas. Divya is excited to show her friends her new room. Divya is proud of her room. Next page. The walls are yellow. The curtains are violet. Divya has toy cars and dolls of all sizes. She has building blocks, big and small. She has storybooks full of color and beautiful pictures. Next, Arun wants to show them his favorite place in his new home? The garden. It is a beautiful garden. There are mangoes on the tree. There are mangoes on the ground. There are mangoes everywhere. There is also a little house for the family pets. Last page. Divya, Arun, David, Salma, and Cookie play hide and seek. Shh. Very good, children. You all read very well with me. So, I hope you all completed the Little Thinker book activity, which I have given in the previous class. If you don't complete, kindly check the video and make sure how to complete the page and do it with the help of your parents. Okay, children. Today, in this session, we are going to know about nouns. Do you have any idea about nouns? Have you ever read about the nouns in the previous class? Oh, I hope so many of them knowing about it. So today we are going to see what is a noun. Shall we go, Kana? Okay. A noun is a name of a person, place, or things, or an animal. Okay. That refers to names, places, things, and animals. It present everywhere. Whatever we see is a noun. For example, look around you. You can see any object around you, that is a noun. Okay, children. I'm telling, for example, table is a noun. A chair is a noun. A mat is a noun. A kitchen is a noun. A room is a noun. So, whatever we have called with a name, that is called a noun. Do you understand, children? That is called noun. So, I have mentioned that noun is person. See, the children, they are noun. Animals, cat and dog, that is a noun. Next, place, a garden, a house, that is a noun. Next, things. See, pens, crayons, bag, flower, everything is a noun. Okay, these are called nouns. Next, see, I'm showing a picture of, to understand you better, people. In the people, I'm giving one name, Anita. So, Anita is a noun. Okay, children. Next, in the places, I have given forest. So, forest is a place, that is a noun. Next, in animals, I have given the picture elephant. So, elephant is a noun. You can take any other animal that will be called as a noun. And the things, I have given a phone, that is a noun. Okay, children. So, the noun is otherwise called as naming words. Okay. The noun is otherwise called as naming words. Whatever we are calling it with a name, that is called a noun. Okay. Now, we are going to see it in the columns. First, in the name column. This is a name column. I'll show you. Wait. So this is a person. Here I've given no, a person is a name column. We can call a person like a girl, boy, mom, dad, just like your members of the family, grandma, grandpa, some other name, Mrs. Jones. So you can give any other name for a boy or a girl, that is called a noun. Okay, children. This is a person column. In the second column, we have given place. In the places, we can include whatever places you can add in the place column. For example, I include school, home, playground, zoo. These are all nouns. School is a noun, home is a noun, playground is a noun, zoo is a noun. You can tell one noun in a place. Yes, living room is a noun, garden is a noun. Very good, children. Like that, you can add and go on in the place column. Next, we are going to see animal column. In the animal column, we can add many animals or insects or some birds also in this column, because we are calling it with a name, right? So that is a noun. Okay, first, dog is a noun, bee is a noun, frog is a noun, cow is a noun, lizard is a noun. Okay, children. Next, we move to the thing column. A thing, you are using it in the daily routine. We are taking some things and using that, right? So that comes under the things column. For example, book is a noun, flower is a noun, shoe is a noun, pencil is a noun. You are watching this video through the phone, right? That phone is also a noun. Okay, children. So you understand about noun, I think so. Noun is a person, place, animals, and things. Okay, now we are going to play a game using this noun. Are you all ready, children? Shall we move? Okay, play with nouns. Okay, so you are going to write the you are going to write the person in this column. You can add some person in this column. So you can write a person. Yes, David is a person. So he is a noun. Boy, it is a noun. Next, girl. You can add girl is a noun. Next, mama. Mama is a noun. Daddy is a noun. Okay, these all comes under the person column. You can play in this nouns column. Okay, Kana. Next, place column. Places, you can mention any names here. Yes, kitchen. Next, bedroom. Next, garden. Yes, play area. Our school. Very good. These are all the places that comes under place column. Next, things. You can see your surroundings and tell the names of a things. What you are saying? Ball. Ball is a thing, that is a noun. Next, yes, you are having pencil in your hand, so pencil is a noun. Story reader book, yes, that is a noun. And then what you are having? Yes, that is also a noun. Carom board is a noun. Cricket bat is a noun. Bat is a noun. Okay, children. Yes, next, in the animals column, you can add some animals. You can say some animal names. Monkey, very good. Lion, yes. Tiger. Okay. Next is giraffe, kangaroo. That is all a noun that comes under animals column. Okay, children. So I am giving this empty place to include some nouns what you know. Okay, in the particular columns. So person, place, things, and animals. You have to play a game with this. Okay. Whenever you find free, with you can play this column with your parents. Okay, children. Let us move to the next page, next slide. I'm going to give you a activity in Little Thinker book, page number 6. Or you all having your Little Thinker book right now? If you don't, okay, just see the picture. I'm going to read the title. Fill in the columns. Wait, children, I'll point out. Fill in the columns with nouns from the story to have been filled for you. So, take your story reader and then Little Thinker book. You have to write the names given in the story reader. In the name column, you have to write all the names that mentioned in the story reader. You have to write in each name in each column. Okay. So names, first name what they have given? Cookie. Yes. You can add Divya. Yes. What are the names you what are the names you see in the story reader? You have to write next in the columns. Okay, children. Next, place. What are the plays you see in the story reader? Do you remind that? Yes, you can write living room. Very good. What are the places that comes under story reader? You have to write in this place column. Okay, children. First one is living room, kitchen, that you have to write in this column. Okay, children. Next, animals column. Only dog is present in that story reader. So you leave just a dog. You don't need to write all the animal names given. Only the dog is mentioned in the story reader. So leave as it is. Okay, children, because they have given the title from the story. So we have to write only the dog that presents only in the story reader. Leave that column and then you move to the next column, things. Think and say what you see as a thing in the story reader. Yes, I saw newspaper. I will write first column. Next, yes, I saw a frame in the column in the book. Next, what are all the things you can know? You write in this column with the help of your parents. Okay, children. But you have to see the storybook and then write in the columns. Okay. This activity you have to complete by yourself with the help of your parents. We will see it in the next session. Okay, children. Thank you. I'll meet you in the next class. Thank you, children.